The world, my parish. It's that time of the year again. Under the auspices of the presiding bishop, we invite you to the 2026 Commissioning and Commendation Service. Join us as we celebrate and send forth 90 candidates who have completed their initial ministerial training. Venue, Kofi Ohene Kunedu Auditorium, UPSA, Accra. Date, Saturday, 20th June 2026. Time, 8 a.m. It's the 2026 Commissioning and Commendation of Ministers. Watch the service live on all our social media platforms. Come, let's support our new ministers as they take the gospel to the world.